Hello, in front of me I've got Elder Scrolls Oblivion. In this video I'll help you to choose your class. In the end of the game prologue, we've got possibility to select class. Firstly, you can select from combat, magic or stealth. Before, we selected birth sign, which determines our perks for the class we are going to select later. So, if you selected birth sign that fortifies your strength, speed, endurance, select combat class. If you selected birth sign that fortifies your magic skills, select mage class. And if you selected birth sign that fortifies your speed, sneak, something like this, select class from stealth. Selecting class is important because each class has different favorite attributes and major skills. We level up our character by increasing the major skills. So, if you want to be mage, firstly think what mage you want to be. You can be typical mage, sorcerer, battle mage, healer, spell sword, witch hunter, or knight blade. If you select the class, you'll have to increase major skills to increase level of your character. Also, the current class you've selected gives you plus 20 level bonus and increase much more rapidly. I want to be Battle Mage, so let's select Major's Battle Mage, and here are our favorite attributes and major skills. Also, in the end, you can select Custom Class, where you select from Combat, Magic, Stealth, and next you select your attributes you would like to use. In the end, select Skills. Continue and it's done. If you find this video helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe.